Soldering can be frustrating. A cheap iron takes forever to heat up, struggles to melt solder, and makes your projects look like a mess. A good one heats up in seconds, holds a steady temperature, and makes clean joints feel effortless. I have tested the best soldering irons and stations of 2026 to find out which ones are worth your money for electronics work, DIY projects, and professional repairs. Let's get into it. The Pinsil is the best portable smart soldering iron for people who need to solder on the go or in the field. It is tiny, lightweight, and powered by USB-C, so you can run it from a laptop charger, power bank, or even a car adapter. It heats up to operating temperature in about 12 seconds, which is shockingly fast. The open source firmware means the community is constantly adding features and improvements. It has a gyroscope that detects when you set it down and automatically lowers the temperature to save power and protect the tip. The display shows temperature and power draw. It does not come with a power supply, so you need a USB CPD or QC 3.0 charger that can deliver at least 36 watts. For a backpack, a field repair kit, or a tiny electronics bench, the Pinsil is a genius little tool. Check the link in the description below. The Hakko FX888 DDX is the best professional soldering station for technicians, engineers, and serious hobbyists who want a tool that will last a decade. Hakko is the gold standard in soldering, and this updated digital version of their classic FX888 is fantastic. It uses a rotary encoder instead of buttons, so adjusting temperature is fast and intuitive. You turn the knob to change temperature and press it to confirm. The heating element is in the tip, so it recovers temperature almost instantly when you touch a large joint. It heats up to working temperature in seconds and holds it rock steady. The build quality is exceptional. It feels solid, and the iron is comfortable to hold for hours. It is not cheap, but for a daily driver in a repair shop or a serious electronics bench, this is the best station you can buy. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Miniware TS101 is the best high-performance portable soldering iron for people who want more power than the Pinsil, but still need portability. It is a smart iron with an OLED display, a USB-C port, and a barrel jack for higher power input. It supports up to 90 watts, so it heats up incredibly fast and has plenty of power for larger joints. The temperature range is 50 to 400 degrees Celsius, which covers everything from delicate SMD work to heavy wire soldering. It has a smart sleep mode that detects motion and lowers the temperature when you set it down. The tips are interchangeable and come in different shapes for different jobs. It is more expensive than the Pinsil, but the extra power and the nicer build quality are worth it for someone who solders regularly on the go. For a field service technician or a maker who travels, the TS101 is a fantastic tool. I have linked the Miniware TS101 down in the description. The Qming soldering iron kit is the best budget option for beginners and hobbyists who need a complete set to get started. This is an 80-watt iron with an LCD digital display and adjustable temperature from 180 to 480 degrees Celsius. It heats up in about 20 seconds, which is respectable at this price. The kit includes 5 different tips, a stand, solder wire, a sponge, flux paste, and a soldering wick. It is basically everything you need to start soldering except a pair of helping hands. The build quality is fine for the price. The handle has a heat-resistant design with ventilation holes to keep it comfortable. The temperature control is accurate enough for basic electronics work and DIY projects. For a student, a beginner, or someone who only solders occasionally, this kit offers incredible value. Check the link in the description below. The Waihua 9263 is the best budget soldering station for people who want a full-featured station with a digital display and a complete accessory kit. This is a 60-watt station with a digital temperature readout, a knob for adjustment, and a temperature range from 194 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It has PID temperature stabilization, so it holds the set temperature consistently. The station enters sleep mode after a period of inactivity to save the tip and heating element. The kit is extremely generous. It includes 2 helping hands with a magnifying glass, 6 extra tips, lead-free solder, a solder sucker, tweezers, and a cleaning sponge. For under $50, this is an insane amount of stuff. The build quality is not Hakko level, but for a hobbyist or someone learning to solder, this station is perfect. It has everything you need and nothing you do not. I have linked the Waihua 9263 down in the description for you. That is the lineup of the best soldering irons and stations for 2026. Whether you want the portable Pinsil for field repairs, the professional Hakko station for your bench, or the budget Waihua kit for learning, there is a soldering tool here that will help you build and repair electronics with confidence. All the links are waiting for you down below in the description. Go check them out and happy soldering. I will catch you in the next one.